Robbase is trying number 1, Invictus. I have box numbers 1 through 11, Tony K, if you want to pick. Vapor residue? I think it's just the vapor stuff is just a mist, or like going to the club, that kind of stuff. It doesn't stick on anything. Plus the cards are over there. I blow it over there. Oh wow, I got the yawns and something's wrong with me. I'm out of whack. 2 of 3, Alex Del Vecchio. Next, 4 of 4, Daryl Sittler. Triple patch. Daryl Sittler. And we have an acetate. This one's 6 of 15, Michel Goulet. 6 of 15. And then we have an 8-way, 2 of 25, Wayne Gretzky, Ron Francis, Mark Messier, Raymond Bourque, Jaromir Jagr, Paul Coffey, Steve Yzerman, and Adam Oates. Lots of dude patches on that one, and jerseys. And that will do it. Robbase, thanks again, man.